Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and watch YouTube videos in incognito mode. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and neat tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment below. So the first thing you need to do, there's actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you the first way, which is if you get your internet browser, one you use, drag it from your desktop down here, and it will come up saying pin to taskbar. So go ahead and do that first. So it comes up down here. And then what you need to do is right click, and you need to come up here and see it says new incognito window. You just go ahead and click that. The reason I said to drag it down here into the taskbar is because if you actually try and right click up here, you will see it doesn't give you the option to open in incognito mode. That only happens if it's down here. So what's going to happen is opened up in incognito mode, and all you need to do is simply go to youtube.com, and what's going to happen, you can see up here it's saying I'm in incognito mode. No, I don't want to sign in, and this screen here is not related to my profile. This is actually the default YouTube. If you didn't have an account with YouTube, this is what you would see, and that's how you do it. The second way to do it is if you open up your internet browser, and what you want to do is come across here to the three dots in the top right hand corner, give that a click, and you'll see the third option down, new incognito window. Go ahead and click that, and you're back in incognito mode. So again, you just go to youtube.com, and there you go. That is how you watch YouTube in incognito mode. So I hope this video did help, and if you did find it helpful, drop a like, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.